In this particular video, I'm going to carry on the series of videos that I've previously done covering chords. Now, I've done major chords, minor chords, 7th, dominant 7th, minor 7th, major 7th, augmented, and now today's, or this one, is diminished chords. Very simple. If we start off on A chord, and it's going to be like an A minor, so the diminished are always minor chords. So remember the chord for minor? So we got A, and we had 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we had 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 34. Okay, that's the minor. And so in this particular case, we're just going to drop that to 3 instead of 4. So we're going from A minor at 34 to A minor diminished at 33. So A, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, B, it's going to be B minor, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, B minor diminished. If you say minor, then it reminds you it started as a minor chord. C, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's do the normal C minor. So we've got C, let's do C major, C major, C minor, and C diminished. Okay, hear the difference in the sound. So remember 33, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. C minor diminished. D, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. D minor diminished. E, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. E minor diminished. F, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. F minor diminished. G, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Just see that. And that's G minor diminished. And that's it. That's that covers all of them, apart from the sharp chords, flat chords, whatever you want. But A, B, C, D, F, and G, diminished. Diminished means smaller, and it's minor diminished. Remember that. The chord 33, minor diminished. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you hate the video, thumbs down. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so already. Look out for my next video. I'll be putting it on this playlist of chords. So look out for the playlist. Cheers. Bye.